first placer winner, basketball district meet, teacher coach Ma'am Ayan Tugali. Favorita Aerovin F, conduct awardee and participant is the Mat Jingle District Champion, division meet qualifier, teacher coach Maria Grace Arville. Suntor John Rafael C, participant in the district chess competition, this category, third place winner. Participant in the district chess competition, standard category, coach Mary Christine C. Ignacio. And William Lord Timothy, 33rd Asia Pacific Regional Scout Jamboree participant. Aquino Nixie Marie S. with honors. Awardees, please give them a big round of applause. Legasti Cyrene Luisa L. with honors and conduct awardee. Once again, you have Nixie Marie S. Aquino with honors. Legasti Cyrene Luisa L. with honors and conduct awardee. Daniela Arnold John A. with honors and conduct awardee. Pandes Gilmore C. with honors and participant in the Mat Jingle competition, district champion and division level qualifier. Teacher coach, yours truly. Paule May Larza G. with honors and conduct awardee. Awardees, please be generous and happy. Once again, let's give them a big round of applause. Thank you. Pleasure Evil Lance I. with honors and conduct awardee. Son Princess Jewel with honors and conduct awardee. Isabel Princess Maricar D. with honors and conduct awardee. And to complete the list from grade 9 diligence, prudence rather, we have Abelia Jati Kirsten C. with high honors. We will class advisor to Ms. Gomar A. Nero.